Nyeri Catholic Archbishop Anthony Muheria has urged Kenyans to exercise peace and patience as they wait for the final presidential election results. In his address, Muheria called on IEBC to expedite the process of vote verification at the Bomas of Kenya.
Tunapongojea kwa matumaini tangazo la uchaguzi wa kiraisi kutoka kwa IEBC, tunaomba Mungu aongezee subira yetu na utulivu. Ni kweli tunaendelea kuomba tume ya IEBC iongeze spidi kwa kazi yao ili muda huu usikawie zaidi.
Johnson Sakaja has been elected Nairobi City County Governor after garnering 699,392 votes. Sakaja beat his rival Polycarp Igathe in the gubernatorial race, with Igathe managing 573,516 votes. Sakaja acknowledges competitors for putting up a spirited fight in the battle. On the other hand, Igathe has since considered defeat.
I want to thank the people of Nairobi for believing in me, and I want to acknowledge and thank my worthy opponents, especially my main opponent, Polycarp Igathe, who is a friend, who is a man I respect, who I have known. I want to thank him for his gallant efforts and that he held true to what we believe in, siasa safi, that politics is not enmity.
At the same time, Edwin Sifuna has been declared Nairobi Senator-elect. Sifuna was announced at the Kasarani Tallying Center after bagging 716,000 votes, or rather 716,876 votes against Margaret Wanjiru's 524,009 votes.
I am proud to say that I have gone through this entire campaign without mentioning any of my opponents, but I consider them worthy opponents, and I just want to say that they're welcome to work with us in order to deliver for the people of Nairobi. I want to thank my party, ODM. We have had very peaceful campaigns in Nairobi and everybody agrees.
Esther Passaris clinched the Nairobi woman representative seat after getting a total of 698,929 votes to retain her seat. Her main rival, UDA's Millicent Omanga, came in second with a total of 586,246 votes.
The biggest glory goes to the Almighty who has kept this country together.
Even to him.
Kapigiwa simu na rafiki yangu kaniuliza, Tobias, kijana mwenye ana trend kwa news na anaonekana kama ni kijana yako. Kamwambia hapana, kijana yangu ako site za Bungoma kwa shughuli za kura. Akaniambia fungua WhatsApp uangalie kama ni yeye kweli. Kweli nilipofungua WhatsApp nikaona kwamba ni kijana yangu mwenye amewawa.
Nilishtuka sana wakati nilisikia Brian mzee akiniambia ameona WhatsApp. Kaniambia Brian kama ameuawa. Nilisikia uchungu sana, alikuwa firstborn mpaka ukusikia ule uchungu wa firstborn.
Flooding caused by rains in Sudan have killed at least 52 people and damaged or destroyed thousands of homes. Heavy rains usually fall in Sudan between May and October, and the country faces severe flooding every year, wrecking properties, infrastructure, as well as crops. North and South Kordofan states, River Nile State, and South Darfur were among the most affected across the country. The United Nations Office for the Coordination of Humanitarian Affairs estimates that around 38,000 people across Sudan have been affected by rains and floods since the start of the rainy season. That brings us to 1:08. These and more stories in the next hour. I'm Teddy Otieno. Good afternoon.